Today, I will be showing you how to use the OneACCS mobile application. First, go to the App Store and download the OneACCS app. Once it has downloaded, open the app. Then, scroll down and click Enterprise State Community College. Once you have selected Enterprise State Community College, there are many options available for you to select, such as My Registration, My Schedule, My Grades, and My Finances. We will start off by clicking My Registration. Please enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, select a term. Then, on the bottom right corner, click Registered. Here you will see each class that you are registered for this semester. After you have found your classes, if you would like to see a detailed schedule of the classes that you are taking, click My Schedule. Here you will see a daily layout of the classes that you are taking. If you would like to find a full schedule, click Full Schedule on the bottom right corner. You can tap on each class to see where they are located and to see your instructor. To see your final grade in each class, click My Grades. Here you will see the final grade that you have in each class. If you have any questions, you may click Contact Us. Here you will find each department located on campus. To find any other student links, ESCC information, or social media, tap the menu button located in the top left corner. Under the student links, you will find things such as MyESCC, Canvas login, and your student email. The ESCC Information tab is here for you to view any additional information you have about ESCC. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at the links listed here. Thank you for viewing the OneACCS app, and we hope this application helps you in the future.